Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable parental controls on YouTube. YouTube parental controls include restricted mode on standard YouTube and the curated YouTube Kids app. Both are intended to filter out adult content. Restricted mode is better suited for preteens and teens, whereas YouTube Kids is designed for preschool and early elementary school children. Both of these restrictions are beneficial, but you should be aware that they do not 100% prevent children from inadvertently seeing inappropriate videos while using YouTube. Restricted mode on YouTube is intended to filter out a wide range of inappropriate content by using automated filtering that examines a video's metadata and title and the language used in the video. Videos that have been flagged as inappropriate by other YouTube users will not appear when using restricted mode. To do so, go to your profile page and tap on Settings. Click on General and turn on Restricted Mode. The second option, set a timer in Digital Wellbeing. The Digital Wellbeing feature in Android devices allows you to set a timer to limit the use of YouTube. When the time limit is reached, the app will be paused for the rest of the day. However, you can change this setting at any time if you decide you want to use the app for longer. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now, click on App Timers and choose YouTube. Tap on the Set Timer option and choose how much you want to use YouTube each day. The third option, Google Family Link. Fourth option, monitor and detect if your child watch inappropriate videos. And the fifth option, use YouTube Kids app for kids under 13. To protect your kids on YouTube, have an open talk about YouTube safety, educate your kids on internet safety, utilize the built-in tools on your device, and the third, utilize the built-in tools on your device. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.